Yeah, okay, it's obvious. I'm doing a Grom giveaway. I'm giving away 2 Groms. So if you guys want to get entered, it's $50 to buy any of the stickers that I have. I got one of the gray IS and then one of the red IS. And the prize lists are going to go from first winning the stunt Grom, the second winning the super stock Grom, and then there's 8 spots for you to win cash back. I don't know what else to say about them besides it's the most fun I've had on 2 wheels. Like, you look stupid. It's the dorkiest thing on the planet, but like, it's so fucking cool. And they're street legal. So yeah, you can either hit me up on my IG. That's probably the best place. Just find me on my IG, DM me, and then you'll be able to buy a sticker. If you're not in California and you're in a different state, we'll have to figure out shipping if you're one of the winners. If you're out of the country, don't fucking enter because I'm not dealing with that. So yeah. Buy a raffle ticket. I mean, don't do that. Buy a sticker and I'll throw in a ticket for you. So let's go over them real fast. That's my personal one, so that's not getting raffled off, well, yet. This is the Stunt Grom package, who prize winner number 1 will get. And then this is the stock package, who prize winner number 2 will get. And yeah, so this is the newer 2020 style. It's only got 500 miles, adjustable brake lever, a separate clutch lever up top, and then a rear handbrake teed off so that you can throttle control your wheelies, which is stupid dope. It's got a full cage on the front sets. And then I think this is 420 Industries. I forgot. It's not the best like rear cage, but you know what? It works for winning this bike for $50. An Akrapovic replica style exhaust, and then mini shorty bars up top. And yeah, I think this one has 500 miles. Let's see. Well, oh, that's right. There's a sprocket change on it too. So this is 565, but really, like when I grabbed this thing, it was like at 465. So because it's a 45 sprocket tooth and a different chain, when you're going like maxed out in 4th gear, it ends up saying that you're doing anywhere from 75 to 80 miles an hour, which you're not, but that's why the mileage ends up racking up higher. So I don't drive this on purpose, so it does appear that it is lower miles. The stock one, I think that one has 1,000 miles, and this is the most stock you can get a Grom in. Literally with this ugly tail fin and the fucking wasp mirrors that make it look like a full-on bug. Yeah, but I do love the white. The white's kind of OG, and nobody really has the white. Nobody definitely has the yellow one. The yellow one's the sickest one on the planet. That's my little Street Fighter looking one. But yeah, there's nothing else to say about this besides it's stupid stock. And you get 2 keys. Okay, cool. Enter in the raffle. Yo, we are back. We are back. The car is back. I just got it back from the exhaust shop. I couldn't record because I forgot the battery in the car over here, so I fucked that up. But I am gonna now show you what the fucking 3-inch all the way out sounds like. It sounds like a 1J should. So who I would normally use, David, he's all the way in Livermore, and honestly, like driving this thing out to Livermore is so sketchy. So I'm not even trying to push 40 miles round trip on this chassis with no reg, no nothing. So one of my buddies that follows me, I honestly totally forgot he even had a shop around here. It's called Auto Zooted Motors. He's right in Martinez. Bunch of cool work he does there. Auto, diesel repair stuff, and then kind of anything you want. Like he's, I don't think there's something he'll turn down, which is dope. But he is busy as fuck. Anyways, he ended up welding the 3-inch all the way out for me, and yeah, fucking thing rips now. Now I can like focus on the other, I don't know, little problems that are gonna pop up. Like now I could focus on other suspension noises, if that makes sense. Like I can hear like if the tires are rubbing, I can hear if the power steering pump's whining, or whatever the hell things may be going on that are, or whatever the hell is happening in the car that I couldn't have heard with the open downpipe. And I won't choke myself out now too. So yeah, let's just fucking turn it on and let you hear what it sounds like. Way quieter, which is so much nicer too, because it was just entirely too loud. And then fuck that pump. Don't even listen to that pump. Nice. Perfect startup. I'll have somebody come rev it. We gotta figure that out in a second. I don't know have it rev it all the way the fuck out. Let's see if it backfires. Go ahead. That's a 1J, baby. That's a 1J. Hell yeah. Holy fuck, this car is nasty. Woo! Yeah, that's perfect. Cut it. All right, you guys. This is fucking done. Car is done. We're drifting now. I don't give a shit. We are drifting. Missile time, baby. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. Yo, so I figured we'd do a little comparison on what these cars sound like. Since I have them like both up here, clean, running, driving, everything's good to go. We're gonna do a sound test on what the 1JZ non-VVTi single turbo sounds like, untuned, the 3-inch straight pipe, and the 2JZ VVTi single turbo tuned, the 3-inch straight pipe. You guys be the test or the voters? I don't know. What do you think sounds better? Alright, you guys gotta be the judge now. You decide what sounds better, the 1J or the 2J. I'm gonna do a couple driving videos in the 1J in a minute, but yeah, that's a little good comparison.